Dum 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 dum. Kim Jong-ji. Kim Jong-ji. 28.8. And your banking level here. And then Go get that money, don't stop. Ah. Kitu, we naye punguza volume, acha kunisumbua. You can see market met up this banking level after that breakout, and then this is what happened. It's happening. Basically, currently I'm just waiting for a time-based entry. I'm waiting for a time-based entry, so I'm waiting for market will start moving from 9 p.m., 10 p.m. that is. I'm waiting for 10 p.m. I see it, yeah, 10 a.m. not p.m. Like the next 2 minutes. Hey. Yeah. The next 2 minutes, then I'm anticipating the move. Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Either a time-based reversal from that point, hunting level -1. That is what I want to say. Let me show you where the level -1 is. Here. Really? Mm-hmm. Around there, and then I put a line there. Delete this. Then enlarge. And then let's wait for 9 p.m. 9 a.m. not 9 p.m. 8 or 9 p.m. 9 a.m. Like in a few. It's 10. It's 10 now. Yeah. I was expecting that drop to happen. Yeah. Exactly at 10 a.m. 9 That is the drop I was expecting to happen. A time-based drop. Remember, I have taken a sell here, 9:58, in preparation of 10 a.m. and then I want that market to hunt here, down here, unless it starts misbehaving around this banking level is when I will get out. But at the moment I'm hunting here 4115.37. that is where I might take buys from, unless that level is not violated. That is where I am watching. If you're on my Telegram, you can see that. Let me share this to them. You're supposed to be there, yeah. Trading is easy like ABCD. That's trade. Let me send them on my Telegram. Just give it there, yeah. Let's wait and see kama itaenda mahali tunataka iende, ama watatu manipulate within the first 10 minutes. You know, there is where I'm watching. Also, I'm watching a banking level and I'm watching time. I'm also watching the candle language at the same time. Because this is the big boss. Because I am the big boss. We are going down. Yeah, and that is a time-based sell. Because let me show you. Kuja hapa. You can see they were playing around. With bank level -1, waiting for 10 a.m. So I kept telling you wait for 10 a.m., 10 a.m. and then after 10 a.m. they just dumped, because there is a new volume in the market and they could not, this banking level, they used it to push market down, and now I'm watching here for 21.15 and I'm just chilled with zero pressure. We said, as long as you're the part of the Big Boss community, you need to be calm as hell. Just be calm. Wait for the market to go to your banking level. Then wait and start making time-based decisions. You're gonna have to make those time-based decisions, man. Wait for a time-based entries. And we are making time-based, and you can see now that is the first 5 minutes of 10 a.m. So yeah, that is something you should expect, a retracement on the 5-minute candle, and then I don't know kama imeenda kwa, let's wait and watch. Because sometimes when they fail to take this market here, what was this time here, 841, they failed to take it here. I don't know why. Things you should be careful is you should be aware of the 1 hour candle close. Remember, when a 1 hour candle is bullish and it closes below the midpoint of that candle, we call that an incomplete high, and market is high likely to go to that incomplete high. If you are trading the 4 hour candle, that candle is bearish, that 4 hour candle is bearish, but it has closed below, above the midpoint, but the candle has closed bearish. That means that 4 hour candle low is incomplete. And that's how we trade every day. That concept, you will learn it, you will see it clearly on days when we have NFP. If NFP is today, the previous day, it either makes an incomplete high or an incomplete low. And the news release of NFP, they always go to fill the incomplete high or the incomplete low. That's how you trade NFP. Easy like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Any question, just type it on the comment section. I will answer. If it's a valid one, I'm going to answer it. What is our goal? So let's wait and see if the market will dump to 41.15. If it dumps to 41.15, then we will all be safe. Remember the first 10 minutes of 10 a.m. will control price. The first 10 minutes of 11 a.m. will control price. The first 1 minute candle of 1 p.m. will control price. The first 1 minute candle of 10 p.m. will control price. Okay, let me go and drink some water. I need some water close to me because I'm trading when I'm talking. I'm gonna need to dust my mouth. Incomplete highs and incomplete lows, that is just the candle language. The candle language of the market. Let me go and take some water and then we will go on from there. Mbele zangu twainama. We, kuja hapa. Nenda huko mbali kudu. 13 seconds to close that 5-minute candle. 0, 7, 6, 4, 3, 0. Closed bearish. Nice. What do you think you want to do? Let me enlarge this. And it's like I think everything is now visible. Sometimes trading is very hectic. Waiting for the candles to print and feel you ain't wasting your time when you are not a profitable trader. That is a skill. It's hard, yeah. But sure, you will have to accept it. Now we are taking the market to level -1. That is where I think banks are watching. And it's the same point where I am watching. But let's wait and see. If it misbehaves, you just get out at a break even. Or just small profits. Yeah, like a trade which has gone to my side, you don't take that loss, man. You don't accept the loss. You do this. When you have already made money, you should learn how to take your profits, because actually I used to struggle with taking profits a lot. Getting too greedy, overholding my losses. Those are the kind of bullshit I was doing. And my friend, there is no shortcut for that. There is no shortcut for learning in psychology, risk management. You gotta have to do it for yourself. Yourself, bruh. You gotta need to do that yourself. Because if you are waiting to someone to just sit down and teach you psychology and understand it, this will be a bit hard for all of us. La 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 la. Now my son of market is around banking level, the zero level. And you can see the first 10 minutes of 10 a.m. zimeishia hapa around here, and then now you should be keen, because they might want to use this as the nini. First 10 minutes, if you buy here, your stop loss should be here, down here. If you sell the market, your stop loss should be above the first 1 minute candle, they're high. That is what you should be doing, because the first 10 minutes of 10 a.m. most of the time they expand to level -1, but they failed. But let's wait and see what the market wants to do. You just have to be patient and see. I explain again about the incomplete highs and incomplete lows. The incomplete highs and the incomplete lows, that is what is controlling price. Price is controlled by incomplete highs and incomplete lows. What do I mean? If the market is bullish, like let's say you have a bullish candle, but it has closed, when you take its high plus its low divided by 2, you will get the midpoint. You are getting the midpoint. If the candle is bullish and it has closed below the midpoint of that candle, midpoint meaning high plus low you divide by 2, if it has closed below that, the next candle should open hunting to fill that incomplete high or incomplete low. I will teach you that, don't worry. Because one thing for you to be able to make money from this FX market, the problem is not even the entry. The problem is, do you know where the market is going? And you are sure it is going there. Because when you see something in the market, maybe you can learn the candle language in the market, and you are able to tell where the market is going to. Like if you I just compress this chart like this, I'm like, do I know where the market is wants to go to? But now for a beginner this might be a bit complicated. You can see the market has just look what has happened here. Market has tapped what? This banking level, break it, retest, going upside. Let's wait and see what's happening. All eyes now to 4135.59 because that is the maximum selling point of the day. If they break there, then the day turns bullish. If they break there, the day will just turn bullish. And then we will start looking for buy trades. First indecision candle, after market has tapped the banking level, then I'm watching there. What is an indecision candle? A candle which does not take the previous high and previous low. It is a very powerful candle in the market. When you see them, you should be very keen. Super keen. Like I think I will be live trading here on YouTube most of the time. Because actually it's fun. Like I'm not even feeling any do you call it weirdness, or like I'm just in the house and I'm just talking to myself basically, and you guys are on the other side and you can see what I'm doing in my house. Yeah, because I think swimming with TikTok is a bit hectic. Because if some people which are, if like TikTok, you're interacting with non-traders, people who have no idea about trading, and they will ask you the most dumbest question you have ever heard, and then you're there and you have to pretend you're cool. Sometimes being a mentor is not easy. You are dealing with all kind of people, others thinking they are geniuses, others thinking they can get it in 1 week. Like, it's crazy, man. You gotta have to buy patience if you want to be part of the big boss. Patience is something I demand. It's not a request. You gotta have to have patience. Not patience in the charts, not patience for waiting for your setup. Patience even in the real life. That's true. What was that true? Just chill, man. Let's learn how to trade forex. Those who were asking what is an incomplete high, this is a perfect example of an incomplete high now. This candle. This one. Let me enlarge it. A buy candle, but it has closed below the midpoint of this candle with a big wick. That's it. That's it. That's it, man. And market usually wants to hunt that high most of the time when it's formed on the higher time frames. But for now, I don't think this market has enough buy orders to move upside. Honestly, I don't think. Because there are a lot of bank orders lying on 41.15. A lot of them, bank orders, most of them are lying there. 41.15. And I don't think they will buy without tapping them. After they tap for 41.15, I will allow everyone now you can enter the buys or you want. But for now, chilo, kulo, just kulo tu. Just calm down. Just calm down. Are you hearing me? Just relax. Don't panic. Usiharakishe. Don't hurry. Please. Don't hurry. Just remember, you have me. I got you, man. Chill. Relax. This market is not going anywhere till 2030. And just remember, by 2030, this market is going to restart again. Market is going to restart again. Remember, we will be entering a new decade. And the algo will be more lethal and unforgiving. It's better you start mastering it now. Master it now when you have the time, when it's a bit easy. You know, you guys, you are learning forex from people who are trading the 2010 to 2020 market, 2000 to 2010 market. And those people, they were just buying. If market is bullish, it used just to be bullish the whole day. That's why you are seeing a lot of concepts saying buy when the trade is buying, sell when the trade is selling. There is nothing like that in the forex market. Today, you gotta find where the bank's orders are. You have to find. That is what you should be looking for. You should be looking where the exact point where the algo wants to take price. Not second guessing, not doing something shitty. No. Not that. Should be aware. And wake up. Just open your eyes. Sit on a calm place. And just be you. Think. You can track it mathematically. If I did, you can. It's just data. Candle is just data money. Candles. This is money printing in form of candles. This is money. And money is calculated. You have to calculate. You have to track it. There is no shortcut. Come out this day and era, you want to trade using value gaps. Maybe during ICT's era it was working because the the previous decade market was a bit easy. It was following those shifts because market was moving with the trend. It used to respect to order blocks, to ICT, to fair value gaps, to all those kind of shenanigans. But now the algorithm is a machine model. It's learning every day, now and then. So the more the more we go to the future, the more the algorithm is learning and the more it's advancing itself. It's a machine model, and machine models, they usually learn for themselves. They learn from what's happening, from the new technology, from what's coming up, and it's updating itself. It's a live code. It's something which is live, which can update itself. It's moving with time because this market does not move the same way it was moving in 1960. 1999, 2000, around there. I don't think 1960 this market was here. I don't know. I never did. I never did research about that. I don't even think 1960 there were computers. But slowly, it's advancing itself. It's learning with time. It's learning. There are new things coming up in the market. 2010 market, there were not TikTok market. There were no like economy was slow. The algo was slow. Economy is moving fast. The algo is fast. Slow economy, the algo is slow. Those are things you should now be putting in your head. That is the forex knowledge. There is difference between knowing how to trade and first having the forex knowledge. Knowing what really is controlling this algo. Is it news? No. Is it fundamentals? No. Then what's really is controlling the market? Is it buy and selling pressure? No. Why do you think news are released at exactly 3:30 p.m. most of the time? Why do you think the ISM news, they were released at exactly 5 p.m., the first 1 minute candle of the distribution session of the New York session, end of the day? Why do you think that? It's not random. The news are released at specific time which they know they are going to manipulate a lot of traders. Why don't they wake up and just release the news 10 a.m. in the morning? Because they won't make a lot of money. But because by 3:30 p.m. market has a lot of retail orders who have no idea if then even news exists. Can you see how the market has done? Come here. Where is the cursor? Here, go back to that line, come down. Basically, market is trading around bank level 0. 0 level means what? Let's first watch and see. You just watch and see. Any question, I will answer it in the comment section. I want you to put your eyes there, because I told you this market is not going to buy till they tap for 215.37, and after market goes there, then I might think of ending the live or something. Let's wait and see. Because remember, distribution of London starts at exactly 11 a.m. Remember, now what's happening in the market now is distribution. It's manipulation. It's manipulation time in the market. It's manipulation happening right now. Stay awake. It's manipulation. That's why market is moving up and down, trying to take as much, trying to take out money from traders who have $10 and that they are trying to trade gold. It's not even market which is trying to steal your money. It's the stupid fucking broker. Remember, if a broker notices like you're not a profitable trader, he treats you like a casino. If you win, he will give you money. If you lose, the money will not go to the market. He will possess the money. That is what we call the big brokers. Air brokers, when the market, when they notice you are a profitable trader, now they are connecting you to the real market so that you don't take their profits. But if you're an unprofitable trader, they will provide the liquidity for you. But the market will move the same way. They won't have their own market. Are you getting that? That's why if you're a beginner and they don't have your data, you get into a broker, you make a lot of money, and they were not aware that you are a profitable trader. Do you know what they do? They usually deny you the payout. They will tell you like something like high frequency trading, or you violated our rules. What rules have we violated? When I was depositing, did you? And I'm just clicking buy and sell. Which rules have I violated? Just shut the fuck up and go away. It's just stealing from us. That's why you should be very careful with these brokers. Or I want to teach you Forex for free, and then you have to join with the link on my Telegram. Do you know what they do? Let me educate you. He will teach you something which looks like it works. Deep down he knows he's teaching you garbage. Then after you deposit your money with his broker will get 50% and he will get 50%. Regardless you make money or not from the broker, he is going to earn. So just take care of yourself. Just take care of yourself. A lot. And I'm telling you this because these motherfuckers have tried to contact me. And I said no. You just begin. And tread the right way. nje yetu. At this point, me, I'm just chilled waiting for 11 a.m. because now it's just manipulation, consolidation. Market is not moving. They will move it because 11 a.m. there is no fucking way they're going to consolidate it, or they will move it trying to close when they are trying to close that kanini, that 1 hour candle for 10 a.m. and Bigboss. I'm just here and I'm just watching with zero pressure. There are higher volume sellers between pivot points and midpoint, which is more important. It depends with what you're trading. If it's about an incomplete high or an incomplete low, pivot points. You use them when you see incomplete highs and incomplete lows. Like this one. See, I told you this is an incomplete high. This one. So they have used the pivot point of this candle. If you just calculate the pivot point, high, close, high plus low plus close, you divide by 3, you'll get the pivot point of this candle, and that's where they have tapped it and moved the market down. It's that way. It is that way. When you see an incomplete high, you can see this is an incomplete high, and this is what is controlling price. This, and those are the candles you should be guys learning. Bastic, please. Market candles have evolved. They evolved every now and then. I'm trying to learn the morning star, something which was being used in 1960 by Chinese G what. The candles are evolving the same way the market volume is evolving. Seeds, market is making new candles every day, new formation of candles which are controlling price. And if you can learn that, then you can have a problem. They are evolving every day candles. Sit in the market and start noticing your own candlestick pattern. Your own. I'm saying your own. And have a specific price level where they form. Have your own. Kitu iko ina charge utaingia. You can see they don't want to move the market away from the zero level. That's why they are consolidating the market there. Can't continue. What the fuck is happening? Because if you are trading this market with $10, already you got scared na ushatoka. They will consolidate till 11 a.m. It's now 17 minutes to. And ingekuwa 5 p.m. If it was around 4 p.m., it was not New York session, we could have already pre-dent money. But now, just consolidating. Doing nothing, basically. Acha tuone. Orders go kwa 4135.59 ama 4115.37. Sawela. ATMT5 is ahead of FBS. Maybe it's my network issue. Lakini sidhani. Sasa kula popcorn na utulie sasa. Market is about nimeanza kumove sasa. I'm happy. I have told you one thing. I don't know this if this stupid market is going to buy. Unless imetapa hapa -1 for 115. I don't think it's going anywhere. Mi nakaa tu hapa ni chill nijione mambo yangu. Zero pressure. Acha tuona. Wanachezea around hiyo the zero level. That is what basically they are doing, motherfuckers. Unajua nakula nyama and I don't think if ina disturb on your side. Hiyo kupepeta mifupa ina irritate. One thing is for sure. I know that they have to take market to 41.15. Ama wata 41.35.59. They add more sales so that they can take market to 41.15. One thing I know, or anyone trading with a $20 account, $20 has been eliminated. Anyone trading using $1, no, less than $50, by now, he has been eliminated. Welcome to the game. Welcome back. Let's play it. Let's play this game. If you don't have capital, my friend, this is going to be more hard. Trust me, I'm not lying. Hey, we are taking the market down. I mean, you may chill too. May relax. Natafuna tu mifupa hapa. Trying to take the market to 41.15. And we have said, we relax. Usipanic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't pressure yourself. Lower the pressure to the 0 level. Why are you rushing to? Relax. Chill. Don't worry. Market is going where we have said it's going to. Yeah. It's that. It's going where we have said it's going to. Napendanga hizi mifupa. Kutafuna tu. For this one. Hii imekuwa tamu. Nitafuta mfupa ingine hapa. Hey, ask a question. And ask a question which you know I can answer. Some of you can ask me, how do you drive up? How can you drive a jet? I don't know that. I said this market has to go to 41.15. Itake is target. Let's chill and work on so. Nikataka kuenda pia ni sawa. We are selling. Kuna watu wana replacing broken screens za TV. Literally mega TV mzima hapa kwa nyumba. Just seen on TikTok. There is kwani kazi imeenda wapi? Rudi hapa. Hii kitu imetap 23. Fuck no. Tabu. Na mimi inanichokesha bana. Oh, 11 AM ishafika. So it's time for the move. Chungana. It's distribution time now. So marketing inaweza fanya kenye nataka kufanya sasa. Let me prepare myself to enter the market anytime from now. Prepare my entries. We are going to enter somewhere there. It's 04. FBS iko behind na 2 minutes. Maybe network sidhani. No uongo wewe. Maybe your net when uko behind wewe. Forward your live stream. It's not behind. There, hapa. Entry inafaa ikuwe kwa hii candle, this one. Unaona market iko kwa hiyo banking level. Imeitap. It's 11 a.m. It's the distribution session. So acha tuangalie inside candle and then we do something. Yeah, hapo. Here. Entries there. Korea. Korea, Korea, Korea. Mm, It's distribution. No more. No more consolidation. No more consolidation in the market. Huh? Ngoja tuone. Market imetap the maximum when there are a lot of sell orders hapo 4135 na wameibreak. Wakibring chini itakuwa easy kuisell kama anataka kusell. Abaichao. Market as long as umeipeleka kwa uko kwa nini and I can see an inside candle now. Na umeipeleka kwa 0.5 the maximum selling point of the day. Then now I break and then an inside candle is above it, then I'll offer to break your candle to the upper side. This one 11:17 inafaa ishuke kutoka hapo. Waki break to juu, then wata activate buys for the day. But sione, I'm not seeing that. Chao. Ciao. simu nangu ukienda. Hey, hey, the big boss, man. The big baba. That banking level, maximum selling point 0.75. See what? I'm just chill, man. Unaimark inaenda inatap inarudi chilled, but the market imekuwa na a lot of manipulation hapo zimbana, but I can see why. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 You can't tell the big boss shit. I'm just watching. Just watch. I'm not moved by the candles. I am moved by the banging price levels. Yeah. And I'm just chilled. Claim 94 Uber on credit. 4 weeks free. Niko na sitaki kutumia that. Not now. Steve O messages. However. I'm feeling cold. Oh, wow. A lot of coldness in my body. I don't know where it's coming from. Really? I don't know. But so pattern traders washaona double top. Yeah, for 1 minute there is a double top there, and bank level hiyo iko hapo about 0.5. That is the retail traders concept. Sahi wameiva, sahi wako sell retail, sahi wako sell sana. Yeah, I told you. I can see everything which is going on retailally and professionally. Hapo na retail wamemake do. Retail traders, from because of that double top, they have made money. But the problem is, I don't know if they trade the 1 minute time frame so that they can see it, because they are brainwashed to stay in the 5 minute, 15. 1 minute time frame is the market. It is what is making the higher time frame. It all starts from the 1 minute time frame, brother. It starts from there. It starts from there. Yeah, I'm not lying. Everything is hidden in the 1 minute time frame. And then they deceived you to tell you 1 minute time frame is noise. The secret is there. I'm not laughing around. I'm telling you the truth. The secret lies on the 1 minute time frame. They deceived you. They told you, oh, it's noise, it's this. Nah, brother. Watch it long enough and you will start seeing it. You're going to see everything as it is. You're going to see it. Let me go to let me run this live on my bedroom. I'm tired sitting on the seat, and as long as my camera is not open, you can do it on my bedroom. Yeah, I'm now sleeping while we are trading because I was a bit tired. Nimechoka kukaa hapo. And now we can watch the market at the comfort of my bed. Mm-hmm. Retail traders today they are happy. Double top traders in 1 minute time frame. They are. And Kijana, you need to be professional. Now, why are you trading in the bed? A Gen Z. Yeah. Let's wait and see what will happen next. Uh-huh. Boom. Didum. Didum 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 didum. The time you will be able to see what other traders are doing without even thinking. That's when you will start seeing success in this forex market. You can sit down and see ICT traders entering a trade. I can see SMC trading. I can see through them. That's when you start becoming a monster. A monster. Mm-hmm. Emungu nguvu yetu ulete baraka kwetu na kiwe ngao na mlinzi. I should do this and love the like. Nguvu yetu ilete baraka kwetu na usikia wengao na mlinzi. Retail, we are making money. Yeah, I told you, if you have been here with me, I told you before they sell this market to level -1, first they will have to take that market to the maximum selling point of the day, which is here 41.35. But now the problem is they reach that banking level with high speed. After they reach that banking level with high speed, we are just supposed to wait for the first selling candle. But I'm not a retail trader. This is what I do. the midpoint between 41.42 and 41.35. That is the midpoint between level -1, level 0.5, and level 1. That midpoint, they have used that level, and then boom. We are the big bosses. I'm just chilled in my bed. Zero pressure. Why are you rushing to pressure? Peleka zero pressure. Like zero pressure iende chini. I'm around. Niko hapa. I'm here. I'm here. Can you see that big paging candle tapping to the exact point? Where? 4128.79. Why? It's the zero level. Tap to the exact point. This here. Here. You wanna say that's random? Go ahead and say it's random. But as I used to tell you earlier, before they buy this market, there are a lot of buy orders hapa chini hapa 41.15, this one. Na mimi nimepeleka macho yangu hapo. If they try to break that 41.28, that's all. Hawatakuwa any other option apart from taking it there. We are the big boss. Just stay around and you will be able to do what I'm doing. That one, it's a guarantee. Because it's just mathematics, it's just something you calculate, it's nothing big. I'm not trying to tell you to spot an invisible order block. You don't know which one you are using. No. It's price point. If it's calculatable, you can see it. But if you're just trying to look which candles look like it's an order block and you ain't even sure of it, that's bad. I've said that's bad. So let's cook the market as we are supposed to be doing. Taran, 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 taran. Kaneri Tundimone. There is where they are going to enter more entries. I want you to watch that candle. I'm at the next candle. Around there they will engineer more. It's either they buy or engineer more sales. Let's wait and see. But I think they will engineer more sales so that they can take market here. Here. For 215. Let me just do this and enlarge ikiwa hivyo so that everyone can see it. Hapo ndio put more orders. Wacha tuone. Let's wait and see. Kwani wanataka kutumia kama rejection point ama what the fuck do they want to do? Watch. Open your eyes. It's there. It's there. In count of 36 seconds. Damn, it's already happening. Let's wait and see. In count of 10, wameshindwa. Let me be patient a bit. Small patience doesn't hurt. Small patience will make you more money than a lot of impatient and trying to rush the market. But sometimes I command it. Just command the market. Do whatever the fuck I'm saying you should do. Engineer more sales. Breakout. Uh-huh. Many may sell you over 38. Pole 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 pole. Zero pressure. Kwani hawataki kuengineer sales ama rada ni gani? Let's go. Let's go. Damn. Wameanza kumisbehave. More cells. Big candle like nikiona hiyo setup najonga kuna one big candle uinafo mahali around that banking level. Tuko na kierere na wewe. Nasemanga damn wait. Damn wait. Hey. Sawa wewe moyoni. Hii market ikisell vizuri I will be done for the day. It's distribution of the London session. That's why mnaona a lot of nini zimeisha. A lot of consolidation hakuna sahi. It's just pure movement. Pure utamu ndio hiyo sasa. That is the candle I was waiting for. Isha form. Take screenshot. Newa moyo, mana mosili newa moyo. Wewe unaona aje wewe hiyo sell? Good sell. na mimi nimemaliza kutrade. So guys, bye. Let me end the live stream. Kwani inaishia wapi? Here. Sijui mbona itaki kuend stream.